Hello everybody, this is George with Melnick's Automotive. In this video I'll show you how to reset maintenance due soon. It's a maintenance reminder in a 2018 through 2021 Honda Odyssey. So what you want to do, you want to go ahead and turn your ignition on. Don't start the car. If you have these warning messages, you want to go ahead and dismiss them. But if you have if you perform an oil change and your light is on, this is how you reset it. So on the left side of the steering wheel, there's these buttons. So we want to go ahead and hit the home button. Actually, first I'm going to go ahead and dismiss all the messages. So you want to hit enter and enter to dismiss all the messages. So next, what you're going to do, you want to go down to maintenance. Right there, you're going to hit enter to select that, and you're going to go down for the oil life, and you're going to press enter, and it says maintenance due oil life 15%. You want to go ahead, press enter, and hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds. And then there's a B only, whichever service you want to do, item only one. It's your choice. I'm going to click all due items. And it says reset completed, oil life is 100%. And that little wrench, that orange little service wrench light will be gone when you go back out. You could turn off the vehicle and restart the vehicle, or you just hit home and you'll be, if you look at your warnings, the only warning that I have is low key battery. So that's about it. That's how you do it. And then if I go ahead and turn the vehicle back off and turn it back on, I'll have a low key battery message, which is fine, but there's no more message for maintenance due soon. Once again, this was George, Melnick's Automotive. Thank you for watching my video. Have a good day.